Hey, good evening, folks. Another S Group Daily Review video number 148. And I just want to give you a quick update on the earnings we got today. Just came in about an hour ago. As you see right now, it's 9:14. We got our earnings at 8 p.m. my time, which I'm Central Time. And today is, June 22nd, Thursday, June 22nd, as you see. So we have today, we got our earnings, and then we're going to get one more tomorrow for the week. So 0.31% was the earnings today, and that actually these two amounts here, 65.25 plus 351, which is 68.76. So that's how much money I made today on the money I've invested. So if I go to this is interesting, guys. If I go to my investments page, and I took a look at my S4X investment, so just look at this. So I made $392.99. So I made that in just 4 days, guys, because I reset my investments last weekend. So if you look down here, see it says days past is 6. So this is wrapped around a weekend. So we've only had 4 earnings days. So it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So out of 4 days, I made $392.99. So basically, almost averaging about $100 a day, guys. It's phenomenal. And this is June. Just think of June by next year. I might be averaging about maybe 150 to 200. Most likely I would be. So it's going to be beautiful, which also means my accounts are going to go faster because I'll be able to put more money in. Like right now, I'm putting like $800 a month. Next year, I'll probably put like 1,200, somewhere around there. So it'll grow even faster. So my earnings, my average earnings will go up even faster. So that's the best part here, guys. I actually have a buddy of mine. I'm going to be sending $818, and he's going to be actually transferring me from checking account to checking account money. So I'll be able to actually have money in my checking account. The S wallet right now, which is the means that we get our funds from S Group into into our checking account, the whole path, it actually goes through S wallet. S wallet right now is going through some major updates. It might be down for another like maybe 1 to 2 weeks, from what I'm guessing. So I really want to get this money out, so I'm just gonna have a buddy help me out. So he's gonna basically use this money to make an investment on his account to grow his account, and then he's going to be transferring me the money via e-transfer. So I'll be able to transfer to my checking account, which is a feature we have up here in Canada. So it's pretty sweet. But you see, guys, here, yeah, my principal is 27,400. I got my two investments now running, which are making me money here. One is 26,058 cents. The other is 1,400. When the month middle of June, or sorry, middle of July rather, when these two expire, which it says right there, July 16th, I'm going to make another $800 investment off of my earnings, whatever this is, and I put it back in here. I'm going to combine. See, this investment I can't combine because I've done 3 combines. You're only allowed to do three, for a whole life cycle. This one is one in, so I'm going to take $800, combine it with this, and that then is going to go to 2,200, and then I'll have one more left, and then that one will be locked. So that's kind of how the system is. No big deal, as long as you're just earning money. And then I'm going to put that 800 back in there. It's going to grow my principal. It's going to be 28,200, guys. And just think, mid August, I'll be at 29,000. It was 28,200 plus 800 would be 29,000. So, and then September I'll be at basically 30,000. I think September I'm just gonna make the plunge and just put 1,000 in there. Be sweet. So yeah, I'll be earning on $30,000, guys, and then eventually I'm gonna start getting into these other areas, throw my money in here, so I can be earning money on autopilot and all these different forex platforms. So just want to give you that, guys, this quick 5-minute daily review video. If you guys have been following me, I really appreciate that. I get a lot of feedback from people following me and congratulating me on my success. Make sure you click on the sign up link down below if you want to sign up and join S Group and make some passive income like this, all on autopilot, guys. Just think I made $400 in 4 days, so that could be used. So, and also, yeah, shoot me an email down below. I have my email in the description if you have any questions. And don't forget to click on the sign up button down below so you can sign up with the system, and also the subscribe button down below so you can subscribe to my channel and see all my updates. All right, so see you guys in the next video. Take care.